Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're on an administrator account so changes stick. Open your primary browser and go straight to its settings, privacy or search settings. This is where Safe Search flags live. Once there, find the search engine controls, often under search engine or site settings, and prepare to toggle filters. You're doing this because the browser-level Safe Search blocks explicit results before the search engine receives your query, so turning it off here affects immediate behavior. Now you go to the search engine's own settings page and change its Safe Search preference. For example, uncheck or toggle off Safe Search in Google or disable strict filtering in Bing. After saving, clear the browser cache and restart to ensure the new setting propagates. Also inspect extensions, parental control apps, or managed profiles that can reapply Safe Search, disable or remove them. Doing both browser and engine changes prevents one layer from reapplying. Finish by verifying system and network overrides. Sign into your router and inspect DNS or content filtering settings, because services like OpenDNS or ISP filters can enforce Safe Search for all devices. Next, check Windows Family Safety or Mac OS parental controls and remove any enforced search restrictions. Once changed, restart the router and laptop, then test searches in 2 browsers. If Safe Search persists, one key troubleshooting step is to create a new admin user and test there to isolate profile-level policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.